Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? Greetings and welcome back to my channel. A very bright morning. As you all can see, the sun is out and I'm super grateful. It's in the morning actually, and I want to do something. The other day I was in town, our town, and I bought some nuts. So I'm going to roast the nuts for breakfast. I do trust you are going to enjoy this video, and it's my prayer that you are all doing good. So welcome and let's get started. The lighting is so good, you can see from this position. Let me try. No, this side. So the nuts for breakfast. Wow, let me show you. We have very healthy nuts, you can see. So I'm going to apply a simplest method of roasting the nuts. This is a method that my mom taught me some years back, whereby first you soak your nuts in water like that, and then you wash them. Make sure that they are clean. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, you wash them. Let me transfer them here. And I find it easy applying this method. Once they are clean like that, you sprinkle some salt, not too much, just a little bit like that, and then you massage. And then you get started. So let me bring my wooden stick. Perfect. I've always been applying this method whenever I want to roast my nuts, and guys, I highly recommend this. And ensure that you don't put too much heat when roasting your nuts for you to get a perfect result. Okay, you can see they have dried up. The water is all gone, but it doesn't mean that the nuts are ready. They are not yet. Sort out the beans. This is what I'm going to have for lunch. Yeah, we call them rose cocoa, the white rose cocoa. I also bought these ones in our town. Per kg they were selling. Per kg, 1 kg costed me how much? 220 shillings. That's like $2. $2 and some cents. I hope you're seeing. Yeah, I'm trying to sort out. I'm multitasking, guys. I don't want my peanuts to burn at the same time. Let me sort out this. I want to get rid of stones. Let them soak for a while. By the time I'm done cooking the peanuts, they will be ready for me to wash and then put them on fire. Almost, they are almost. So our nuts are ready. I want to spread them somewhere where they can dry, okay? And this is where I'm going to spread them, in this traditional tray. I'm done, ready to take breakfast. So this is what I'm having for breakfast: nuts, mandazi with a cup of chocolate. You can see. I appreciate you all for watching this video. Thank you so much. I feel so humbled. Thank you so much for subscribing. To my new subscribers, I appreciate you for being here. Let me get to know what you think about this video. Until the next one, bye.